Welcome back to the Python for Beginners series. In this video, we'll write a simple program that shows how to take input from the user, convert it into numbers, and perform addition. Let's begin. First, we write num1 equals input, enter first number, num2 equals input, enter second number. Now, pause here. What's happening? Even though the user may enter numbers, Python stores them as strings. So if we do this, result equals num1 plus num2, and the user enters 5 and 7, the output will be 57. Why? Because Python is joining the two strings, not adding numbers. To fix that, we use type conversion. Let's modify our code like this. num1 equals input, enter first number, num2 equals input, enter second number, result equals int num1 plus int num2, print sum is : result. Now let's walk through this step by step. Suppose I enter 5 for the first number and 7 for the second number. The input function stores both as strings, 5 and 7. Then we use int num1 and int num2, which convert these strings into actual numbers, 5 and 7. Now the addition is numeric, so Python calculates 5 plus 7, which gives us sum is 12. That's exactly what we want. You can also use float if you want to accept decimal numbers. For example, num1 equals float, input, enter a number with decimals. Python will now accept values like 5.6 or 7.2. Let's try that. If the user enters 5.5 and 4.5, Python adds them as decimals and prints sum is 10.0. That's it. You've just learned how to properly take numeric input from users and use it in calculations. In the next video, we'll build a simple calculator using what we've learned so far. If you're enjoying the series, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.